Just stop it?
Oh, it was recording right now? Like that? So it's recording?
Yeah. Wait, the button. Mine. I want to do mine. Mine gets
Oh, it blew up. Okay.
I'll do it again.
My assistant explained the job to you. He told us. We'll get some buzz about your building so you can...
Glad you happy birthday to Jesus. Jesus Christ.
Hey, you don't say it like that. It's Jesus' birthday yesterday. That's why you had Christmas.
How am I?
But he's saying like, Jesus Christ. Right there, you're done.
Happy birthday to Jesus. Happy birthday to
Good job, Mikey. I can't see you, Mikey.
Happy birthday to Jesus. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Charming. What the heck? Mikey, come on.
All right, there. Bye.